Hello, and welcome to Quick Summarize, the channel that transforms long-form videos into short, valuable insights. And today we're unpacking a crucial interview. Demis Hassabis on the future of work in the age of AI. A conversation with Google DeepMind's CEO about how AI will reshape our careers. The original video runs 32 minutes packed with important information. But don't worry. We'll distill all the core insights in just the next 5 minutes. Ready? Let's dive in. Demis Hassabis on the future of work in the age of AI. In just 5-10 years, we'll have AI as smart as humans. What will happen to your job? Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a special interview with Demis Hassabis, CEO of Google DeepMind, about the future of work in the AI age. The original video is over 30 minutes long, so I'll distill the most important insights into these 5 minutes. Before we dive in, let's meet Demis Hassabis, one of the world's leading AI minds, CEO of Google DeepMind, the world's leading AI research division, 2024 Nobel Prize winner in chemistry for his AlphaFold breakthrough, Knight of the British Empire, honored for his contributions to science, co-founder of DeepMind since 2010 with the mission to solve intelligence. This is the person leading the race to develop AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. Part 1. Is AGI close? First question. How close are we to AGI, human-level AI? According to Demis Hassabis, 50% chance we'll have AGI within 5 to 10 years. But why don't we have AGI now? Despite impressive current AI, major limitations remain. Lack of consistency. Can solve Olympic math problems but fail basic arithmetic. Can't reason deeply or plan complex tasks. No real creativity. Can't generate new scientific hypotheses. True AGI means AI can do everything humans can do, from scientific research to artistic creation. Part 2. Risks and challenges. But AGI doesn't just bring benefits. It carries major risks. Risk number 1. Bad actors. What if criminals or authoritarian nations get AGI first? Risk number 2. Loss of control. Super powerful AI might break through safety barriers. Especially dangerous. The AGI race between superpowers. Whoever gets AGI first by 10 minutes might lead forever. Hassabis' solution. Need smart international regulation and global cooperation. But this is incredibly difficult in today's geopolitical climate. Part 3. The future of work. The crucial question. What happens to our jobs? Good news. Currently, AI mostly assists rather than completely replaces humans. Huge opportunity. In the next 5 to 10 years, people skilled with AI could increase productivity 10x. Advice for young people. Learn STEM and programming to understand how AI works. Master new AI tools. Focus on skills for controlling and directing AI. Jobs hard to replace. Nurses, caregivers need human empathy. Creative work requiring human touch, but be prepared. AGI could potentially do most human jobs. Part 4. The radical abundance future. Looking further ahead. What will the world look like in 20-30 years? Hassabis believes in radical abundance. When AGI solves medicine, cure all diseases, extend lifespans, energy, nuclear fusion, virtually free energy, clean water, desalination at low cost, space, interstellar travel, and galactic colonization. The biggest challenge, not technology, but fair distribution. We already know how to solve climate change, but don't act due to lack of cooperation. Will AGI change this mindset?
And those are the key insights from the 32-minute interview with Demis Hassabis. Quick Summarize just saved you 25 minutes while capturing all the essential information.
Quick recap of the main points. AGI could arrive within 5 to 10 years. Opportunity for 10x productivity gains for AI-savvy people. Need to prepare for the biggest change since the Industrial Revolution. Potential to solve humanity's greatest challenges. This is the power of Quick Summarize. We chew the long videos so you can digest knowledge in the most efficient way possible. The full original video is linked below if you want to deep dive further. Like if this was helpful, subscribe for more high-quality summaries from Quick Summarize. Comment and let me know what video you'd like us to summarize next. See you in the next video.